Poem Our Flag of UK. The United Kingdom's flag is a symbol of pride, a banner of unity that stands by our side. A cross of red, white and blue, a declaration of love for all that is true. The red of St. George that symbolizes courage and strength, a reminder to never give in, no matter the length. The white of St. Andrew holds courage and peace, a reminder to always strive for justice and ease. The blue of St. Patrick stands for loyalty and truth, a reminder to always be kind and to never be uncouth. The union of these colors is a sign of unity, a reminder that together we stand strong and can be.
The flag of the United Kingdom is a sign of courage, a reminder that even in darkness we can find solace. It's a reminder of the shared history we have, a reminder of the bonds that tie us together and make us glad. So when you see the flag of the United Kingdom, remember that we stand together, no matter how hard it comes. Remember that we are a nation of courage and strength, a nation that stands together, no matter the length.